Kanongba Shillong hakari India menta kalazang ban pau ban long kum Khaïi nakin nongba akabayde baka Jingshah yo Ganja barkani kala pau dien baka New Delhi range NDR bat ka anti narcotics task force crime branch kilala ban penprai artli kiken hon ne network kisnar Khaïi ki papen poi jingdi penbuat ne Ganja nakawi ga jilla shakwai pat kat kum ga khubor kini ki kenhon ki de ki papen ngop khamtam mi ki Samla Pule ki college paper bat kani kala pau perthai hedien ka Jingshah kem chongki hin riungot ki brio manha ka hin riu trik no pra arjar arpulai kenhon ka baningkong pelapen pra rek NDR ka de ka bamlien ban Khaïi Ganja pelawan ra na Manipur pat Thailand laingot ki brio bakan thup yo nong mai tham Jashoban ta sing Uthiam Rabikanta sing bat Urudranch Gupta kila syakem ringkat saupupra kilo Ganja Katkum ka Kyrwoh jingpen tep shikilat pathai khubor laong pelayo jingtep kabati kenaba syapang ka kam Khaïi Ganja na kathan syatei lammingi sya Delhi nakawi ka yeng HDLF Capital Greens Motinagar Delhi bachusho kapen pa ba Ganja lawan ra na Manipur bat Shillong lingba kirel kat bana Phuket Thailand da kiling sun ki pulet ki ong bana ka jingphla ki te ki laingot la syam ba ki Khaïi Ganja sya Delhi Gurugram bat Noida bat ki penon kamru ikirin san social media ban Khaïi kum kapota bat ka wifas Khaïi pat ka jingyo pen prai ka kenhon Khaïi Ganja bat MDMA da ka ANTF ka dei na Kanpur Uttar Pradesh ka balayo kem laingot ki brio pakan thup yo Lakshay Bhatia Girik Agarwal bat Khalid Zafar ringkat khatsan gram MDMA bat khat aspa gram Ganja nakani ka khubor kum ba ka pau ba ka jilla Meghalaya manchua ka de tangkalinti banya Khaïi shikiwi pat ka jilla Nrei menta kala kala long kaktem jong ki jingdi penbuat barka jilla kala nang yai ki ho ka jingdon ki bapenukam yaki drok ka sorka jilla kala shemi ki senjam bante lakam ta ka jingi trelang bat ki bor pulet khamtam nado shemti u Dr. LR Bishnoi kumu Director General Police ki pulet kila khamtre smart kem ki badon ki kam Khaïi drok bat pendukot ki sai hakate ka kam bean haka program jong atnat social welfare ka santrik no pra arjar phulai halor ka drug reduction elimination and action mission dream but ka bringing unity in local against drugs ha ususo tham auditorium Dr. Bishnoi Laong paka Meghalaya ka don na jingma namar buntli ki daw kum ka jingjan palat shaka golden triangle bakan thop ya ka Myanmar Thailand but Laos kani ka jaka ka de ka bahe bat ka long southosha ya ka Meghalaya bat ka de ka bajupan kam ban rap ki opium poppy bat snai ki drug paper Ulaong pakajing penon kam drok kalarung shikinong kendong umsho tangki jakasor bat umsho tangki shenrang rewat ki kenthairu house name arjar arpuar ki pulet ki yo kem nyo point san kilo drok heroin ndre menta house name ka jingyo kem kala kiyo shaka khan rio point hinyo kilo
Earlier problem was confined to urban area, now it has percolated down to the rural and countryside area. The fifth reason is the earlier the main abusers were the male or the boys, but now many young girls they started falling prey to the drug abuse. And once the drug abuse, we are in the grip of drug abuse, it can lead to the subsequent other crimes like domestic violence and traffic accident. You will be surprised to know that in Shillong alone, daily 4 to 5 cases of domestic violence are reported in the various police stations of Shillong. Any trafficker clearing the consignment from Silchar to Shillong, the driver will get 50,000 rupees, and if that consignment is destined to Guwahati, from Shillong to Guwahati, he will get another 50,000 rupees. So that is it, the money involved in it. And heroin, the illegal market, the cost of heroin is between 8 to 10 crores. Although here locally that much cost is not there among the drug trafficker cycle, but international market 80,000 rupees per gram, that is the heroin cost.